Hi, welcome. I'm Paul Sheppard, your teacher, mentor, mindset coach, and the host of the Mindset Change podcast. Today we're doing a powerful and deep, wonderful, non-sleep deep rest meditation, also known as Yoga Nidra. So if you'd like to get yourself comfortable and with an attitude of being open, ready to sit still and to work deeply in your mind, I'd like you just to put one hand on your heart and just begin breathing here. You can close your eyes now if you wish, or look down towards the floor. But just begin breathing into your heart, with your hand creating warmth and slight pressure, holding you, which releases oxytocin, which releases stress and helps you feel good. I'd like you to take a nice gentle breath into the belly and then pause, and then a second breath into your chest and then pause, and then through your mouth, like you're blowing out through a straw, exhale all the air from your lungs to the end of the breath, and then pause. And let's do that one more time. A gentle breath into the belly. Pause. A second breath into your chest. Pause. And then slowly blow out through your mouth all the air from your lungs. And then pause. You can put your hand back into your lap in a comfortable position and begin breathing gently down to the belly, which naturally makes your breathing slower and deeper to relax your nervous system. And we're going to create a powerful intention for today. My intention is to rest and to heal deeply within myself and invite more love into my life. If that works for you, use the same or create your own. Now I'd like you to imagine, using the power of your mind, a column of bright white light coming down through the universe and into the crown of your head. And I'm going to draw your attention to parts of your head and body where that light will help you release any pressure and tension being held, even if it's just by 1%. So that bright light is moving around your crown, slowly down to your forehead. The lines smoothing out. You can feel that tension just begin to release around your head and neck with each breath. Each in-breath pulls the light a little bit further down to the muscles behind your left eye, deep into your socket, You can feel those micro muscles around the eye and deeper, dissolving, just letting go. And that energy moving to your right eye. And again, tension just dissolving deep within your right socket. The energy moving to your left cheek, your left ear, slowly down your chin, all the way around to the front of the chin, your bottom lip, your top lip, your nose, feeling the air breathing in through the left side of your nostrils. Your tongue, relaxing there behind your two top teeth, or in a position that's comfortable for you. And that energy moving around to your right cheek, the right side of your chin, to your right ear, deep within your muscles, deep within the cells, there's a release. You might not even feel it, or you might sense a tingling or warmth as your body lets go and triggers your own innate healing ability. Around to the back of your neck, the back of your head, all the way down to your shoulders. And just for a moment, being aware of any thoughts that come into your mind about anything you're holding on to, worrying about, any burdens. And could you just give yourself permission to let those thoughts and those feelings just be there, maybe just weighing down your shoulders a little. And as that light moves down into your shoulders, spreading itself from left to right, you may feel those burdens, those worries beginning to dissipate. Just stories from the past, creating memories or illusions about your future. You can just feel them and see them beginning to dissipate into the air like fine dust, disappearing into the past where they belong. That beautiful white energy just slowly moving down your left shoulder, all the way into your left bicep, into your left elbow and your forearm, and gently into the back of your hand, into your fingers and thumb, You can feel the energy tingling within the palm of your hands. Energy resetting and healing deep within. And now on your right shoulder, that energy slowly spreading, that white light filtering through your bicep, into your elbow, into your forearm, into the back of your hand, into your fingers, palm of your hand, and get a sense of the energy, sensations that you can experience with your awareness. And that energy moving down now over your collarbones, into your chest, again to your heart, and this beautiful white light is the energy of the universe, an energy which can feel loving. And when you connect with your heart, feeling the rise and fall of your heart with each breath, as the energy of the universe focuses on healing your heart. Have you been tricked into believing you are unlovable? Old programs from your past, from other people and situations, into believing that you're not worth it, which show up in certain areas of your life, the way that you talk to yourself, situations you place yourself in, how you treat yourself physically with your lifestyle. And these can bring up feelings of shame, failure, guilt, and anger. And I invite you to allow any of those feelings to now appear within your body. Let this old program, which shows up as a lack of love, emerge into your body. Get a sense of where you can feel it. Is it in the chest, in your stomach, or somewhere else? Wherever you feel it, just allow it just to be there within the body. And then, with an attitude of kindness and compassion, of love, I'd like you to just observe those feelings which show up as a lack of love in your life. And watch what happens with curiosity to that old program. The longer you just sit with it and let it be there. And I'd like you to affirm deeply to yourself, I am lovable. I am lovable. I am lovable. And get a sense of what's changing within you. And that column of light moving down your spine, around to your stomach, which is gently rising and falling with each breath.